We're going to work on playing a version of bingo today where we recognize how many items are in a set. In order to play, each player is going to need a game board. Each player is going to need about 25 markers. Here we use pom-poms, but you can really use anything. And each group of players is going to need a dice. If you don't have a dice, we've included a set of cards that have the same faces as a dice that you can cut up and put in a basket and have students draw from that instead. The goal of this game is to get 5 in a row, either horizontally, vertically, or on one of the diagonals. To start with, every player is going to take one of their markers and mark off the free space. Now one player is going to take the dice and roll it. When they did, it lands on a 1. So everybody's going to take a marker and mark off a 1 on their board. Now all players have the same board, but you notice 1 occurs in multiple places on the board. So the chances of everybody choosing to mark their board in the exact same spot every single time are very small. Play has continued and our board has progressed to this point. The person rolling the dice just rolled a 3. This player notices that if they take the 3 down in the corner, they win because they can have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in a row on a diagonal, so they have a bingo. Check out the other videos in our playlist and don't forget to click on subscribe. Thanks for watching!